The $100 Startup, by Chris Guillebeau, explores the concept of starting a business with minimal capital and leveraging personal passions and skills to create a sustainable and profitable venture. Guillebeau emphasizes the idea that anyone can start a successful business without a significant financial investment, often for as little as $100. He supports this claim by providing numerous real-world examples of entrepreneurs who have built thriving businesses from modest beginnings. Guillebeau begins by debunking the myth that substantial funding or a comprehensive business plan is necessary to start a business. Instead, he advocates for a lean startup approach, where individuals focus on identifying their passions and skills that can be transformed into a business idea. The book stresses the importance of action over extensive planning, encouraging readers to launch their ideas quickly and refine them based on customer feedback. The author introduces the concept of microbusinesses, which are small ventures that can be started with little capital and operated without the need for large-scale infrastructure or employees. These businesses often rely on the internet and digital tools to reach customers and deliver value. Guillebeau highlights that these ventures allow entrepreneurs to maintain flexibility and control, aligning their business goals with their personal values and lifestyle. One of the key themes of The $100 Startup is the focus on creating value for customers. Guillebeau explains that successful businesses solve problems or fulfill needs for their customers. He advises aspiring entrepreneurs to identify a target market, understand their pain points, and offer solutions that are compelling and unique. By doing so, they can differentiate their business and attract loyal customers. Guillebeau also addresses the financial aspects of starting a business, emphasizing the importance of keeping costs low and generating revenue quickly. He provides practical advice on how to bootstrap a business, manage expenses, and reinvest profits to fuel growth. The book includes actionable tips on marketing, sales, and customer service, which are essential for building a customer base and sustaining a business over time. Another significant aspect of the book is the emphasis on scalability. While starting small, Guillebeau encourages entrepreneurs to think about how they can expand their business in the future. This includes exploring new markets, developing additional products or services, and leveraging technology to increase efficiency and reach. However, he cautions against rapid expansion that could compromise the quality or core values of the business. Throughout the book, Guillebeau shares inspiring stories of entrepreneurs from various industries who have successfully implemented these principles. These case studies serve as both motivation and practical examples, illustrating how others have overcome challenges and achieved success with limited resources. The stories highlight diverse approaches and creative solutions, demonstrating that there is no one-size-fits-all formula for entrepreneurial success. The $100 Startup concludes with a call to action, urging readers to take the first step toward starting their own business. Guillebeau emphasizes that the most significant barrier to entrepreneurship is often the fear of failure or the belief that one lacks the necessary resources or expertise. He encourages readers to adopt a mindset of experimentation and continuous learning, reminding them that every successful entrepreneur started with a single step. In summary, The $100 Startup is a practical guide for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start a business with minimal investment. It provides actionable advice on identifying business opportunities, creating value for customers, managing finances, and scaling a business. Through real-world examples and practical tips, Chris Guillebeau demonstrates that it is possible to achieve entrepreneurial success with limited resources, making the book an inspiring and valuable resource for anyone looking to turn their passions into a profitable venture.